Hello, students and parents of Team USC. This is Dr. Neufeld, and I want to show you about Quizlet and how important it is in my class in world history. First of all, there's quite a few of different applications that I have and how we can use them. For example, looking at last year, I create a Quizlet for every single geography quiz, and I post it when we have the quiz. So this is everything from last year. Right now, when I look at one of the classes, for example, period 2, the ones I've posted include cardinal and ordinal numbers, and for our geography 1, 2, and 3, and also for Roman numbers, both beginning and advanced. Now, I don't give a lot of assignments here on Quizlet, but let me show you how you can get extra credit. And I'm going to choose just one example. For example, Geography 3. Okay, if you look over here on the left, you have flashcards, learn, write, spell, and test. I'm going to skip these 3. Those are 5 different applications. Here's what I do. I look at every period and every student once a week. And any student who's done 4 of these 5 applications, and you choose which one you want to use, then I give you extra credit. Let me show you how good all of these apps are in studying and getting ready for a quiz. Remember, right now we're on Geography 5, and I'm going to show you all of these apps really quick. Okay, for example, flashcards. When you're looking at flashcards, this is just teaching you. In this case, it's for geography. Look at the picture. What is that body of water? Now, I hope you could say it in your mind. Let me show you another option down here before we get started. Go down into options and turn on your audio. This will help you as well. Okay, so you decide what this is. I'm going to, and again, it's teaching you. So click here anywhere on the screen, and it flips the card, and it tells you what it is. It even says it out loud. Then go down here to the buttons, to the arrows. Next one, what is this? You don't know. Click on this.
Mexico.
Okay, and the flashcard goes back and forth. What is this one in red?
Spain.
Okay. There's 25. It's gone over 6 here. Okay, so that's just, hopefully you finish one. That's why this keeps track of who you are and which apps you used, and then I check once a week to see if you used it. So that is flashcards. That's telling you about these locations. Now let's go on to learn. What does learn do? I'll click on that. And on this case, again, it shows you the picture, and you have to choose which one. So I'm going to click on one.
Mexico.
And I got it wrong. So that's why it pops up to tells me the correct answer is Mexico. I said it's Europe. Okay, now here's the next one. And here you type in the answer. I'm going to type in the wrong one and see what it does.
Canada.
I put in Spain, and it is Canada. Let's go on to the next one. In this case, it's choosing. This looks like a continent, so I'm going to say it's Asia. Got it right. What country is that?
South Africa.
Actually, I put South America, and it's South Africa. Okay, so that's the second app. That is Learn. Now let's go on to Write. Okay, and in this one you have to type them. In this case, let me put in England. Correct. What is that body of water at the top? And I'm going to misspell it. Let's see what happens.
Arctic Ocean.
It's Arctic Ocean. I put in Arctic, so it tells me the right answer. What is that land? I'm going to spell this one correctly. Antarctica. Got it right. Next one, what body of water is that? That is the Gulf of Mexico. Again, spelling is correct. Let's see, that tiny little country there, I'm going to put in the wrong name.
North Korea.
It's North Korea. I put in South Korea. Again, that's the third app. That's right. And it tells you what you got right and wrong. Remember, we have the options on here for audio to help. Now let's look at the spelling app. Okay, now I have to type it in up here, and I'm going to type in the correct one.
North America.
Okay, I got it right. Now, in this case, they tell us what it is. Can we spell it, though? And I'm going to misspell it. Let's see what happens.
North. North, America. North America.
Okay, it showed me the letter that I misspelled. And it says it out loud, so let me spell it correctly this time. Got it right. Okay, and it tells you the progress, what you got right and what you got wrong. Then, the last one, this is a good way to practice for our quiz every week. It gives you a test. And in the test, it gives you different options. For example, look at that picture. What is that? Number 2, what is that? Number 3, what is that? Number 4, what is that? I'm going to make that one wrong. Let's see what happens. Now, I know some of these pictures are really hard to see, and you can't make it any bigger by clicking on it, but you can expand it. And let's say that's the body of water. Now, in this case, it's matching. So Europe is which one? I'm going to say it is E. Canada is D. Now, I'm just going to put in wrong letters now. Here, multiple choice. I'm going to make the wrong answers. Let's see how fast we can finish this quiz. And then there's true, false. So then this is a great quiz for all 25 places. And now it tells me the ones I got right and wrong. Okay, so those are the 5 different apps. And again, I can look up by period and by student. So anybody who does 4 of the 5, you get extra credit every week. Even if you don't use all 5, this is a great practice for every geography quiz we're gonna have every week. Now, not everybody has joined yet. I hope you do join. And there's another video coming up to show you how to join. Remember, you have to go into the particular period, Neufeld World History period 2, 3, 5, 6, or 7, and I add an app every week depending on the quiz that's coming up. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I really hope, students, that you use this app, Quizlet, every week. And parents, I hope you can encourage your child to use this app. Thanks a lot. Bye.